Thank you, Ganesh. Next participant is Shiji Varghese.
देखो मैंने इसका नाम हाथ पे लिख दिया।
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, judges.
अबे zoom नहीं होता है?
Yes. So I just want to ask you, which week is this?
Valentine's.
Okay, Valentine. I thought it's 7th week of the year, but as you said that it's Valentine week, so everybody must be gifting each other some gifts and cards and everything. Oh wow! So today I got the topic moving ahead with sustainable development and changing economy. Next slide. So what exactly is sustainable development? Next slide. Let me break up into sustainable and development. As development means improvement of lifestyles and well-being, and sustainable means preserving natural resources and ecosystem. As our former President Abdul Kalam has said, let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have better tomorrow. Next slide, please. As this is the formal definition given by everyone, I just want to add that it was given by Norwegian Prime Minister Harlem Brundtland in the Brundtland Commission in 1987. Next slide, please. So, what are the problems faced by sustainable development? It is the depletion of finite resources. The second one is overuse of renewable resources. The third one is pollution. The fourth one is inequality in economy, political and social and gender. The fifth one is species loss. Next please.
कितने मिनट का है?
The three core drivers of instability is consumption, production and distribution. Next slide please.
मतलब क्या?
Let us look at the three key elements of sustainable development. That are environment, economic and social. These three pillars contribute towards sustainable development. Next slide. And 3E models of sustainability includes ecology, economy and equity. Let us look in detail about these. Next slide please. So what does environmental sustainability means? It means that we can use the concept of biodiversity, material, energy and biophysical interactions. Let me give you an example of biophysical interactions. Like there are pathogens inside your bodies. Like I would like to say that there are more viruses and bacteria in your mobile than the toilet seat cover. So some pathogens are required by the body. They are the byproduct which produces vitamin K. Next slide please. The economic sustainability, under this we can implement money and capital, then employment, then technological growth is also very much important in today's scenario. And then investment, as any project or any development requires huge amount of investment. So proper use of investment should be there. Next slide please. Then under socio-political sustainability, we can see the quality of life. Quality of life has increased day by day with the advancement in human endeavors, and also if we imply very good political structures and institutional structures, we can attain socio-political sustainability. Next slide please. So sustainable development offers world a plan of saving the earth, under which 4 objectives we have to achieve at the same time. It is social progress, which recognize the needs of everyone, then effective protection of the environment, then prudent use of natural resources, and maintenance and high stable levels of economic growth and employment. Next slide please. So sustainable development has 2 ideas. One is way to understand this world. Next slide. And second is set sustainable goals. Next slide. So using technology the right way will part the solution for sustainable development. Like as you can see on my left side, the train is powered by fossil fuels. That is a non-renewable source of energy. But on my right side, you can see the maglev technology used in Japan, which is a renewable source of energy. Next slide. So as I said, the first idea, the way to understand this world, It contains pests, political, environmental, economical, and social. And next slide. Setting up sustainable goals, we have to optimize these four things: wealth, social inclusion, environmental sustainability, and well governance. So as you can see that if any development is there, any economic activity is there, plus increasing population, it gives rise to being overloaded. The planet is overloaded.
टाइम हो गया.
So we have two parts to take. One is business as usual or sustainable development plan.
40 slides को लगता है.
Next slide. Business as usual means that you don't care about the environment. What are the pros about this? You just keep on using the sources available to you. But there are some pros about it, that poverty has been declined, then technology has advanced, then overall progress is there. Next. But the cons about this, the disadvantages about this is the boundaries are being trespassed. As you know about global warming, it has caused global warming. Industrial revolution has created global warming. Then growth is not inclusive and it's not sustainable. Next slide. So we have to come up with a sustainably and growth inclusively plan. That is, next slide. Sustainable development. Next slide. By 2030, 70% of the population will live in cities. Next slide. So the path to sustainable development would be sustainable cities. Next slide. Let me give you an example of where I live. I live in Nanded city. So what they are focused in, a concept called green building, proper utilization of the resources available, natural resources like sunlight, and proper orientation of the building. All the urban farming is there. Next. Okay. The smarter cities include smart architecture, smart transport is also one of the way. Let me give you an example of Infosys. How in their Mysore campus they use cycles for the transportation inside their campuses. Then clean energy, effective water use, recycling and sharing. Let us take some examples quickly. One is electric vehicles charged by electricity produced by clean energy. Google is also working on this project. Next slide. Then wind farms used to produce clean energy. Then rice that resist flooding can be used in agriculture.
वहाँ का
Then urban farming is the new concept that is popular in the West. Nowadays it is catching up in Indian society also. Next slide.
अंधेरा अंधेरा लाइट ऑन.
Next slide.
ब्लैक काला काला.
So there are some global goals for sustainable development.
हो गया.
So as you can see, there are 17 goals which I have put up from the net, and this include no poverty, zero hunger, then reduce inequalities, then life below the aquatic life also we have to see, then partnership for the goals also. Next slide.
फिर से जाता.
So in the end, the conclusion which I want to make is all the youth sitting here has to actively participate in sustainable development. It is not possible in 1 day or 2 days, because Rome was not built in 1 day or 2 days. So the experience we share from the older generation, we have to integrate with the younger generation. We can start talking about sustainable development from the childhood itself. We have to inculcate these ideas from the primary school itself. So what I am telling you is that all you youths are a huge participant in sustainable development. I would like to add a quote in the end said by Mahatma Gandhi, that earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Just think about it. Thank you.
क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं है. क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं है.
Good done, well done. I have only one question. Somewhere you mentioned that sustainability is required to save the Mother Earth. Is that true, or sustainability is required to save the or improve the quality of human life?
Thank you, sir, for the question. Sir, if you ask that, is it required for improvement of quality of life or to save the Mother Earth? I would agree to both of the points. If the quality of life is increased and there is less pollution and there is less wastage of resources, ultimately the goal would be to save the Mother Earth. If Mother Earth is saved, then we can live prosperly. Nowadays, people are going to Mars. They are trying to find colonization in Mars itself. the earth is becoming polluted and polluted day by day. So I am agreeing to both of the points that you should save the Mother Earth as well and improve the quality of life. These two are interrelated. That's what I feel, sir.
See, no questions,
Yes.
but a small suggestion. Don't call them you youth. Are you old? Your address has